In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove that admin from Meta Business Suite. If you need to remove someone's admin access from your Meta Business Suite, this process is fairly quick once you know where to look. Just make sure you're signed into the correct business account and that you personally have the permissions needed to manage people and business settings. Otherwise, the option to remove an admin may not appear. To get started, open Meta Business Suite and go to the main dashboard. From there, click on Settings. This is where Meta stores most of the controls related to users, business assets, permissions, and account management. If you don't immediately see the exact section you need, don't worry. Everything we're doing happens from inside this settings area. Once you're in settings, click on pages. This section helps you view and manage the pages connected to your business portfolio. Depending on your layout, this area may also help you identify the person or access level tied to the business assets you manage. Take a moment here to make sure you're looking at the right business setup before making any changes, especially if your account is connected to multiple pages or portfolios. Next, find the three-dot menu. This is the small options menu that usually appears beside the user, page, or relevant entry you want to manage. Click on the three dotted line icon to open the available actions. In Meta, this menu often contains administrative options that are hidden until you expand it, so this is an important step. From that menu, click on Remove from Business Portfolio. This option removes that person's access from the business portfolio, which includes their admin relationship if they currently hold that role. Before you continue, it's a good idea to double check that you're removing the correct person, because this action can affect their ability to manage pages, assets, and business settings. Finally, click Remove to confirm. This confirmation step is Meta's way of making sure you really want to go through with the change. Once you confirm, the admin will be removed from the business portfolio. After that, it's a good idea to refresh the page and verify that the person no longer appears with admin access. If you're managing a shared business account, you may also want to review the remaining users and permissions to make sure everything is still set up correctly. And that's how to remove admin from Meta Business Suite.